Hello everybody, you are watching Usitility, gamers' favorite channel. Are you an enthusiastic player of D-Men the Defenders and wish to enjoy this game on a big screen? Here you are going to discover playing D-Men the Defenders on PC. No need to keep the eyes on a tiny screen, but it is the time to relax and play D-Men the Defenders on PC. Keep viewing the video tutorial so that you'll not miss any step. Without having more wait, we will simply take the start. First of all, open any specific browser, for instance, Google Chrome, and then you should go to the link provided in the video description. It is the URL, I display it here in case you want to see it slightly more prominent. You will automatically be forwarded to this web page of BlueStacks D-Men, the Defenders. Install D-Men the Defenders on your computer by using BlueStacks. It is an Android emulator that emulates tablets and also Android cell phones, and we can use a keyboard and mouse, utilize a large screen, etc. We click on the Download D-Men the Defenders for PC option, and the download will start. The downloaded file is here now. Simply touch on this file now. In Windows 10, it'll have asked us for agreement, we respond with yes and accept. To view the game installer, it's better to minimize the browser tabs such as this. The next task is to select the place where you prefer to install D-Men the Defenders. If you wish to modify the directory, you'll then only push Customize the installation. To move forward, just click here on Install Now, and installation will begin. The size of this file is 512 MB only. The download of the game depends upon the net speed. It will then set up the emulator in your PC. Look, the file has been installed on my laptop. This is the very first time it'll open BlueStacks, so it's going to make a few configuration settings that it is just going to do now. The rest of the times, it certainly can't take that long to start. This particular step is crucial. As a way to sign in to Google Play, press on Sign In. When you click on it, you'll be asked to type in the credentials to sign in to Google Play. You can't continue to install this game without login since it is a Google Play game. We have now clearly explained this easy step, therefore, we will skip it in the video. We've logged into it, and it welcomes us. We will need to accept the terms, we just click I agree. It asks for making a backup of the device in the cloud, however, we do not need it, so we press No. As you have seen, we are in our Google Play account now. Simply hit this arrow to exit the emulator and to go to your desktop. Before moving forward, check out two icons it has produced here, BlueStacks and BlueStacks Multi-Instance. If you'd like to launch the BlueStacks app, then press the BlueStacks icon. Right after performing all the essential steps, we've ultimately come to the installation step. Notice, I will press Google Play to install this exciting game. D-Men the Defenders are now being downloaded, hold back. Based on your connection, it will take more or less time. I'll be back again after this step to save time. Now, we do not need to open up the BlueStacks all the time, however, we'll directly have accessibility to D-Men the Defenders by simply clicking on its desktop icon. Starting the game on PC is extremely simple, just click this icon twice and there you go. However, I will show you another way to start the game through BlueStacks. I will simply click this specific icon and then start it. You can also make changes in the keyboard configurations from here. As we are not severe to customize keyboard options and we will leave them as it is. If you want to enjoy D-Men the Defenders in large screen mode, then we will undoubtedly advise two simple options. See, here's how you may maximize the screen by maximizing the emulator. This option is just suitable for people who would like to get the big screen, however, not 100% full screen. Touch F11 to get 100% full screen, then click precisely the same key to leave that mode. Once you start playing in full screen mode, you'll be able to better focus on the game. No doubt that playing a game in an emulator requires a lot of power, therefore, the performance will depend on the power of your system. You may also even change the language of this game. To change the game language, select this cogwheel, and press on Preferences. You can choose any language from here that you would like to. We have eventually altered the language, see. Now we have been done with setting up the game. If this video was helpful for you, then subscribe to the Usitility channel so that we will come with new stuff. Thanks for your time, we'll be back again with more such videos.